Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. Today I am going to make Chura chicken, which is also called Pichi chicken. To make this, first we need to boil the chicken. Just take a chicken breast and also some chicken with the bone. Basically we are going to boil the chicken and we are going to remove like chura, and then we are going to stir fry, and this is going to be super tasty. So I am going to add some onions, some bay leaf and also some peppercorn so that the chicken is flavorful when it is boiled. Put the lid on and we are going to let it boil for around 20-25 minutes. The chicken should be nice and tender, and do not remove the chicken out of the water right away. Let the chicken rest in the water for some time so it is nice and juicy. If you remove the chicken out when it's really hot, the chicken is going to dry out. So let it rest in the chicken once it is nicely boiled for 20 minutes. After that, I'm going to just add some ingredients onto a pan and we're going to have delicious chura chicken. The chicken is getting boiled, so I'm going to leave it on the side and I'm going to start this process. Once the chicken is fully cooked, we're going to shred it and then we're going to add to this. To make this dish, we're going to use coconut oil. Now coconut oil has become very popular in many countries, and because they say it's very good for the body, and my suggestion is always use all kinds of oils. I never use one oil for cooking. See, if it is a South Indian cooking, if I am making poriyal or something, I use coconut oil. If I am making some Kashmiri palak and green peas, I use mustard oil. And even for fish, Bengali style, I use mustard oil. Here today I am going to add coconut oil to this, the mustard seeds till they crackle. Once the mustard seeds crackle, in this add some red chili. We call it gundu mirapakai. That means the round headed chili. Every chili has its very unique flavor. I use all kind of chilies for my cooking, especially when I am making this, or even for the sambar. I love this chili. Awesome aroma is coming here. In this add garlic, add lot of curry leaves. For these kind of preparations, when you are eating the chicken and all that, I love to use the tender curry leaves. Look at this, the nice tender, and use lot of these curry leaves for this. It's going to sprinkle lot of oil on me. Add sliced onion and the curry leaves. Let the curry leaves sizzle in this oil. Now it's perfect. And now mix these onions also. We're going to add some turmeric and ginger garlic paste to this and just let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Here my chicken is all ready. We're going to let it cool, but I'm just going to show you how you're going to shred it after it cools down. Just take the chicken, take a fork and just shred the chicken like this. You do not want really small pieces, you want slightly bigger shreds. I'm going to let this cool down in the water and then I'm going to shred it like this, and by the time this mixture also will be ready. Look at this, the onions are slightly nice soft. To this I'm going to add chili powder. I'm also going to add some pepper powder, but most of it I'm going to add at the end. Coriander powder, some garam masala powder, and to this I'm going to add one chopped tomato. You know, this is going to make it nice and tasty. If you want to add a little more of coconut oil, you can. We're going to cook it till this tomato get fully cooked and kind of dissolved in this. But we want this mixture to be dry. I'm going to show you how this is going to happen. In this, we are also going to add some salt and let it cook for a few minutes. Look at this, awesome masala. To this, we're going to add the shredded chicken. We're going to toss this with the masalas. It is going to be tasty, but not like awesome. When you want it awesome, we are going to add the stock that comes out of this. That is the reason why I added half of the chicken with bone and some with chicken breast. You have to add this water and you have to cook this till this whole mixture evaporates. Put it on a high flame, and to this we are going to add some freshly cut chili and also juliennes of ginger. Trust me, add as much as you want. This is going to be super tasty. So we're going to let this chicken simmer in these juices. We're going to cook it till it's slightly dry out. That is the reason why I have taken a very open mouth pan like this. And to this we're going to add some crushed pepper, and we're also going to add some coriander in the last. So let this cook till this whole moisture is gone. Look at the shredding also, it is not too fine. Whatever was there, it just dried down in just less than 4-5 minutes, and I just want the nice oil to be oozing out of this. That's when this sauteed thing will get the really concentrated flavors. Some people ask me, oh, why do you people eat really hot food in summer? Yes, even in Rajasthan, even in the south of India, in the summers we eat even more hot food, because when you eat the hot food, you start sweating, and that's what cools your body down. This is an awesome dish for your party, and I just wanted to scramble a little more, and then I'm going to serve it really hot. Oil is slightly oozing out from here. Sprinkle a lot of chopped coriander, toss it out. Because I added the tomato, you don't need to even sprinkle lemon juice, but if you want, you can. Now, they say this is very, very popular in border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, especially there is a waterfall. That is where they say they serve this really, really hot. It doesn't matter the waterfall, you can imagine in your mind at your home, and just enjoy this awesome chura chicken. Let me tell you, this chicken chura is going to be super tasty, and I'm telling you, you will be super thankful for me. Try it, and with awesome, the Chettinadu and the Kerala, both masalas and awesome flavors in there. Next, after taste, isn't it? The chicken pieces are full concentrated flavor. If you have tried chicken Chettinad, imagine few more times, even more tastier. The chicken to be nice and juicy and just well cooked, and the flavors are just perfect. The curry leaves, the tender curry leaves, makes it even more awesome. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Keep watching and keep saying VahRehVah.